Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, you can learn the basics of oil painting. I have been working on this painting and I am going to show you each and every step of the painting process. In this video, I am going to show you how to paint the sky, and you can learn the rest of the painting in my upcoming videos, so stay tuned. This is a canvas board of 25 by 30 inches. I have given one coating of artist gesso which takes a day to dry. Using red method, I am going to draw a rough sketch of the painting. We begin by painting the sky, then the mountains and foreground. As you can see, the sky has vibrant colors. The part of the sky near the mountains are orange and darker as compared to the rest of the sky. I am using Camlin oil colors, synthetic flat brush and a texture brush for blending. For oil painting, we use turpentine and linseed oil as solvent. I'm using this as my palette and these are my paints. For the sky, I'm going to mix titanium white and cobalt blue. As you can see, Persian blue is a bit more darker than cobalt blue. Sometimes it is hard to identify the colors, so just mix a little bit of paint, apply it on the canvas board so it is easy to determine the colors. So this is cobalt blue, which is a primary color, but the next color that I will need for the sky is purple, and we have to mix two colors, that is Persian blue and crimson lake with a little bit of titanium white. If you are not sure about the colors, first mix a small quantity of paint. Then you can mix a larger quantity that is required for your canvas board. Sometimes what happens is it appears to be a different color on the palette while it is different on the canvas board. So confirm the color only after applying it on the canvas board. As you apply paint on the canvas board, blend it out smoothly. Oil paints are known for its properties of blending. Now the next color that I am going to mix is Crimson Lake with titanium white and Scarlet Lake with titanium white. As you can see, this color is for the orange part of the sky. We are going to use both of the colors, blend it and give a orange sunset effect. As you can see in the reference photograph, there are a variety of colors: orange, pink, purple, blue and even yellow. So here I am just adding all the colors. Oil paints are known for its properties of blending and its working time. It has a longer working time than the acrylic paints, and that is why we can blend it out very smoothly. Although we can use a retarder for acrylic paints, the quality of the finishing that we get in oil paints is more better than the acrylic paints, and that is why many artists prefer oil paints over acrylics. So this is how I painted the sky. Similarly, I am going to show you how to paint the mountains, the water and even the foreground step by step, what colors I use and how to paint. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next video. Until then, be creative and make the world around you colorful. Magic is in your hands.